PDF text modification matching font. Are the fonts and backgrounds getting lost while editing PDF or images with online editors or AI tools? Does the edited part get caught when you zoom in? Then this video is for you. In today's video, we will show you live how to do PDF text modification matching font in a professional and perfect way without any flaws. We do not use any automated software. Rather, we work manually with Adobe Photoshop and Acrobat, capturing every pixel, which is impossible to catch even with high-powered zoom. Why is our editing completely invisible? Perfect font matching, the typeface, size, and color gradient of the original letters are perfectly matched. Background and watermark protection, text changes without destroying the background texture or security watermark at all. Realistic detailing. The folds, stains or realistic texture of the paper are maintained through 3D matching. All format support, JPG, PNG, PDF, scanned copies, even blurry photos taken on mobile phones are also worked on. We edit anything. Invoices, utility bills, pay stubs, letterheads, academic transcripts, business contracts, and any document with name, address, date, amount, or signature. Special note, we do not edit passports, driving licenses, or government ID cards of any country. Service packages and special benefits. Packages, Basic, $10, Standard, $20, Premium, $30. Delivery, within just 30 minutes to 2 hours depending on the complexity of the job. Live demo, opportunity to pay after seeing the live edit on video call. Payment, crypto, PayPal, Wise, Western Union, Remitly, and bank accounts. Contact and order. WhatsApp, +8801788 871 6077. Website, tuner.com.